Hi guys, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. Running a little bit late. I'm having issues with the sun. It's so bright out. Happy Friday. I'm just going to work on a craft. Let me make sure I'm not mixing this up. I've got 4. There we go. There's my extra. Okay, last week I went to Hobby Lobby and I came across these cute little signs in the spring section. There's only 3. I technically got 4 because when I went back Saturday to help Daniela paint, I was looking to see if there's any more, and I grabbed that, not knowing if I had that, and it turns out I do. So I am going to do a March gifting challenge. So basically, this will be part of a bundle. The rest will be a little bit of a surprise because I'm not even sure yet what I'm going to throw in there. It'll be like something you can craft with. So I've got it written down so I don't forget. So basically, like my page, like this video. That's the first step. The second step is to join my new community group, Melissa Peterson Designs Community Free Group. That's the second step. And the third step is once you join the group, I want you to share something in the group. So if you have a hobby, such as one of my friends likes to plant flowers and have flowers in her house, plants in her house, and she likes to arrange them really pretty, share that. If you paint furniture and you sell it on the side, sell it as a business, make sure you have your logo on the picture so that way you get credit. People want to follow you, can share that. If like yesterday I went to Pella to the well, and I got a few things there that I was really proud of, and I did a quick little video of that. That's a share. If there's anything you see on Facebook or Pinterest, Instagram that like as a home decor inspiration, make sure you give them credit. Like you've been seeing me do credit. Like this morning on the group, I did the chair Whimsy. I love her work, and I shared some of her work and in the group. So I made sure to give her credit. I also love my fur babies. So if you got any fur baby memes or something cute, anything feel good, share that in there. So that's it. Like and follow my page, join my public group, and share something in that post. And once I get 10 people that participated, whether it takes all month or we get it till Monday, then I'll announce the winner. So at a minimum 10 people need to do this. I also got last week burlap canvases. I technically have 4, and I didn't realize until last night there's 3 different prices. So the prices of these have gone up to $5.49, but I got these half off. So I've got 3 of these, and I'm just going to do a little project because I want these. There's an area in my wall by my coffee little bar that I have, and it's blank. I had like something on there I didn't like anymore, so I fell in love with these, but these are too small, so I'm going to just put these together, and I'm going to use hot glue. Technically, oh, I didn't grab my scissors. Hang on, sorry. Now if I was getting real technical, I'd get the staples out, but I'm just going to bend that wire back because it bent back pretty good. So, just like that. Hi Jen, how are you doing? So if you've already liked my page, you got that done. If you've already liked my page and joined the group, you've got that done. Now you just need to share something in the group. So, I've got my hot glue gun warming up, and these canvas frames come with, they're supposed to like tighten up the canvas. Save these because I'm gonna figure something out for them. Those look like perfect for like miniature signs, or like if you do mixed media and you need to elevate something. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that says hanging with my nomies. So these can also be used like to raise something up, like if you're doing mixed media. So save those back because I'll figure something out for them. So I've got 3 little signs. I've got 3 of the burlap canvases I bought. They're 8x8s at Hobby Lobby. And I think next week they should be back on sale again. So it was last week they were on sale, so maybe next week. And of course their spring decor is all 40% off right now. Oh, and I've got this shirt on my website, just in case if you're wondering. Okay, so yeah, so my March gifting challenge, this will definitely be in there. I just don't know what else I'll put in the goodie bag, so it'll be a surprise. Something for you to craft with. Okay, so I've got that bent, and my glue is going to be running out, of course, but I'm prepared this time. So I'm just applying a bunch of glue in the middle, and I'm just going to do my best to put these right in the middle of the canvas. And if you have like picture frames, you could always do something like that. You know, how cute is that? So I'm going to have 3 of these. I'm going to stack them by my coffee bar once I get them all done. And I don't use those hangers that you can buy separately that are for canvases, because to me they slip off. So probably the best bet is either just to hang them on the ledge, or even you can get those sawtooth hangers and put them on the wood. So that would be even better. So I'm just going to bend that back, my sheet. Make sure I keep my extra one back. No, I didn't get that wire bent back very good. Let me try that again. So this is just a simple little project I'm doing for Buy My Coffee Bar. And that one says, "Don't worry, be happy." See, Merrill's loving this little decor I'm doing because he's big into bees. His dad even bought him a few beehives before he passed away because he was hoping Merrill would get that started, and he wants to. I think that's going to be his retirement job maybe. So there's my second one. Just gotta let the glue finish curing. And when I work this weekend, but probably Tuesday I'll take some pictures and show you how it looks all hung up with my coffee bar. And there we go. There's my third one. So I'll just probably have them stacked, horizontally. Is that right? Vertically. So that is it. So yeah, so make sure you join the March gifting challenge and like this page, like this video, join my public group, Melissa Peterson Designs Community Group, and make sure you share a post in that group. Something, a project you've working on, a project you've done in the past, any thrifting hauls you've done, if you have any funny inspirational means, home decor inspirations, just whatever you think. I hope you guys have a great Friday, great weekend, and enjoy the sunshine, and I will see you Monday. And once we get 10 people who have done the gifting challenge is when I'll announce it. So if it's done by Monday, I'll announce the winner Monday. If it's done by Friday, I'll do it Friday. So you guys have a great weekend. Bye.